The video you just watched was created by me in under 5 minutes using AI. And these mechanical toy videos are going viral all over social media right now, and creators are making thousands of dollars just by posting this exact style of content. This TikTok page has gained 461,000 followers just by uploading similar videos, and their pinned videos have reached 33.3 million, 24.1 million, and 32.5 million views. Now, I am going to show you the totally free method to create these yourself. Make sure you have subscribed because we are starting immediately. First, open ChatGPT and click on Explore GPTs. Search for Mechanical Toy Generator and click on the first result. Open the GPT and click Start the Generator. It will instantly give you 10 mechanical toy concepts to choose from. You can also ask for more ideas or describe your own concept if you have something different in mind. I am going with number 6. Hit enter and ChatGPT will provide you 2 image prompts and 1 video prompt across 6 different models for that concept. Now choose the model you like the most. I am going with model 1. Copy image prompt 1 and head over to Google Flow. Choose the image option and make sure your desired settings are turned on. Paste the prompt in and hit enter. In seconds, Google Flow will generate a perfectly structured image for your first scene. Choose the one you like, click the 3 dots, and choose Add to Prompt. Copy image prompt 2 from ChatGPT and paste it here. Your second image will be ready in seconds. This step keeps both images visually consistent, so your final video flows naturally from start to finish. Now, let's bring these images to life. Choose the video option and select your desired settings, model, and number of outputs. Choose the first image as the start frame and the second image as the end frame. Copy the video prompt from ChatGPT and paste it in. In just a few seconds, your viral mechanical toy video is completely ready to go viral on the internet. Now watch another one I created using the exact same method. Same process, different concept, another video ready to post in minutes. Subscribe for more tutorials like this, drop a like if this helped, and I will see you in the next one.